I will do a modeling like this, an isometric view and top view, front view, right view, isometric view, and the drawings are here. So I will use this drawing. And first rectangle, and then there's the ellipse here, 4 ellipse and 1 big ellipse and rectangle, and the front side I will generate these lines and tangent line, and I will make a sweep surface here by using this line and this arc. Okay, let's do it. And open the Mastercam and new. First, draw a rectangle. Width 120 and height 80. Yes, and offset each side 10. Ten, 10, 10, 10. It's done. And offset once again 9.5, 25. So in order to draw an ellipse, I need a center here. So draw a line. Yes, it's done. And ellipse here. Ellipse. Create ellipse. Click. And the center point here. Click. Yes. And this value is 70.5 and OK. And check the dimension. Ctrl D. 120, 80, 10, 9.5, 25, 10, 10. Yes. Delete all dimensions. Delete this one as well. And draw a center line once again. Offset 20, 20. As I don't need. Offset 5.5 and 20. It's done. Check the dimension once again. Yeah, it's right. And select dimensions, delete. So I don't need this line anymore. Delete. And fillet, trim. The 2-point trim. And extend this line a little bit more. Yes. Draw a line here, and so copy this one and select the mirror option. Yes, it's done. Okay, and trim all this scale part. Two entities, and offset certified, and draw a circle. Diameter 25. Let me check. It's not 25. 25. Yes, you can press F4, then you can change the value. Okay. Okay, check the dimension. Yes, it's done. It's correct. Draw a small 4 ellipses here. So select ellipse and a pointer center point here, and approximately like this, and the value is 3 and 7.5. okay, and rotate, copy rotate this ellipse, rotate, and select the geometry and the center position here, and the value, angle value 90, and yes, that's done. And all the sketch is done on the top plane. Okay, and the isometric view, and extrude, enter. I will change the color. This looks like some cut here, and do it once again. Yes, check once again, and extrude. There's no draft option here, and the opposite side, and distance 10, and one more, and option is add both and opposite direction. So the distance approximately 30 is good enough. Yes, it's done. So, select this line and change the level, so 10. Okay, and level manager, and hide, and this side, these two side, and another two side must be dropped. So select dropped, this position, enter, and reference face, and draft angles are here 15. Yes, one more time, select this side, enter, and reference face, bottom, and angle value is 10. Yeah, it's done. Okay. So I will draw these lines, these arcs, a tangent arc, and then on the right plane I will draw just another arc here. Okay, check. Move to the Mastercam, and so my recommendation, as I talked to you before, configuration and CAD setting, this must be activated. It is much for you, for your job. You can do it, the modeling, much easier. But when you make some toolpaths, please make it off. Okay. And select boundary, and yes, only select the face, and select this face, and enter, and OK. And lines are generated. I will use these lines. Front plane once again, and the wireframe, and offset. I will make an offset line, and here 32. Yes, increase a little bit. Yes, and offset once again 15. 15, 13. Yes, it's done. And 2D, draw a circle here, radius 55. Okay, change, yes, like this. So I will extend the lines to this position. So this you can extend this one, and draw a polar arc. You know, basically there are some certain option, but this and the arc polar and the 2-point arc end is commonly used. So I recommend you to make a shortcut key and the tangent, and other this one is it is not used commonly. So my recommendations, make a shortcut keys. This key, this tangent, and the arc end point. Okay. And center here, and yes, directions, opposite direction. Okay, it's done. So I don't check the dimension. 32, 110, radius 55. Okay, it's done. It seems okay. Delete the dimensions. Delete. And delete this as one. And delete. And tangent arc. So select this option and radius 70 and select, and so this point, no, let's do it once again. Select this point, yes, select this line and delete all unnecessary. And trim, 2-point trim, and extend a little bit. And to show. Okay, it's done. And make it visible and select this one and Alt E, and I only need this solid and these lines, and right plane, and the right plane's Z positions are here. So click right and Z position and select, and automatically the Z positions are displayed here. Enter, and right plane once again, and wireframe. I need a line to check this. It is the kind of some spline. So I don't know where is the point, center point. So to check center point, so I will draw a line and horizontal line. Yes, like this. Okay. And right view. So I will draw arc polar arc, radius 150. So starting point here. And press Shift key, then select this position and write down the center position 150. Yes, this center position here, and radius 150, and I need this position and opposite side. Yes, it's done. So I don't need this anymore, and delete, and top plane and isometric view. Make surface, sweep surface. Enter, enter. Yes. Make it visible or look nice. Select this one and change the level and 20, and level managers. Surface 1. So I will remove this part by using this surface. So options are here. Solid trim to surface. Click and select the solid first and surface. As you can toggle like this. Enter. Okay. And I copy this surface, and because I let me check the drawing. So this embossing type. So after extruding, then by using another surface. So I don't need to make another surface, just the copy from the existing surface. And options are here. So offset surface, and select surface, enter, and value 3. Yes, nice. Okay, and I wanted to change the color. This surface, purple. Okay, and I wanted to move this one, change the level, and 30. Okay, check once again, purple. So move to the level. I don't need this anymore, and make it invisible. Okay, wireframe, and Alt-E, and show all the geometry, and extrude this one, and chain the same form. Okay, and add the boss wireframe. Yes, it's good. Okay, so this upper side is removed by this surface. So select this and select solid and surface. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so I don't need so name it surface 2 and make it invisible. Okay, it's done. And the wireframe once again. I don't need this one anymore. And change the level at 40. And invisible. Let me check and this big ellipse and this square. So move to the bottom. So it must be project to 5mm high. And select the project 5. Not copy, so it's a move. And extrude cut and select chaining. Done. And copy. Now cut body, cutting body. Okay. And this one also change the level 50 and make it invisible. And another extrude cut. Select and draft as let me check. Draft values are here. So 7. So, yes, outside. Make it visible. Yes, it's done. And this one also change the level 60 and ellipse and for small ellipse, make it visible, invisible. So all job is done. Only left does the fillet. Okay, let's do the fillet. This side, this side, this side. So my recommendation only choose this one, edge option. Otherwise, it is quite clumsy. Okay, and radius value 10. Yes, it's done. Okay, so in case of the ellipse, select all. Its value is 2. Yes, it's done. Radius 3. Then and this side as well. Yes, it's done. And all other parties is there. The fillet value is radius 1. Let me check. And okay. Because of this option, some propagate along tangents. Tangent options is automatically. You only select only one, then that's according to the tangent options. Automatically the fillet is generate radius 1 and another, and here here and here, and in this case you can select the face. Yes, it looks good. Alt F1, top view, front view, right view, isometric view. Okay, so you can change. I wanted to change the color. Yes. Then the bottom side. So the colors here. And it's done. Look nice. Top view, front view, right side view, isometric view. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.